Hi, welcome to the ninth video in the Excel to SQL series. In this video, we'll continue with what we've been doing in the last few videos, which is sorting. But here we'll be doing sorting by an expression, right? Like we've been doing first in Excel, then in SQL, right? But before that, some theory. So sorting by expression, which is by performing calculation, allows for a dynamic sorting based on calculations or operations performed on columns. So the expression can include arithmetic operations, functions, or concatenations. Right now, we're going to do an arithmetic operation. In the next video, I'll be showing one with functions and one with concatenation, right? In Excel, we can do the same thing. So what I want to do is calculate my profit margin. What I want to do is calculate my profit margin. So I'm going to add a column here. I'm going to add a column here, right? In Excel, essentially, first I would add the column and then go ahead and divide my profit by divide all my profit by my sales, right? And I would essentially get the correct result, and I can then go ahead and format it as a percentage. I can go ahead and format it as a percentage, right? And if I want to sort by this column, I can just include this column in my filtering and I can sort, yeah, whatever. Okay, so Excel, okay, so right now it is an array, so I can't sort it, but I can paste it as a value and then I'll be able to sort it. Very quickly, let me just check if we're able to use custom sort on an array. Ideally, we should not be able to, but let us still try. So if I say profit margin, no, you can't change. So I'll have to first paste this as value, right? I'll have to paste this as value, and then I'll go ahead and sort it, right? Then I'll be able to go ahead and sort it, right? Coming to SQL, right? Coming to SQL, we want to do this operation. Right? So what we're essentially trying to do is, I've selected my entire data first, right? And I want to order by profit divided by sales, right? So now this is not going to create an additional column. When I do profit divided by sales, ascending, it is going to perform that calculation for me and then sort the data. Very quickly, if you can see that Mitch Willingham is the first customer, followed by Nicole, Guy, Barry, Tanza, and Benjamin. If I change this to descending, right, and if I run this, the numbers will obviously change because the sort order has changed. Do you see it is not adding in any additional column? It is just doing the calculation and then able to sort the data basis the result of those calculations. One more thing that we can do here is just to show this on a smaller data set. So I can say that select, let's say I want to sort my subcategory only, and sales by profit as profit margin, right? Then I want to say from orders.compact. Then I want to say I want to group by, I only want to mention my subcategories, so I'll say group by, I'll just copy this subcategory, I'll just say group by subcategory, and then I'll say order by profit margin, ascending, right? And hopefully this should run, and as soon as I press enter, it is able to run, right? So you can see that I was able to use this profit margin alias that I created here, right? And I was able to sort the data. If I change this to descending, I run this, the data will get sorted in the right order. Great. So this is how we can do sorting in SQL using an expression. The expression that we used was an arithmetic calculation. In the coming videos, I'll show one with function and one with a concatenation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in the Excel to SQL series.